Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I have some stuff to open, but I'm only going to pull out. Well, that's weird. They didn't even wrap that. Okay, you saw that. Spoiler alert. You saw something. Here's what I'm going for, if I can get him out. I bought, I'll set this over here. I'm only going to open this in this video. I bought another boy. I really like these. These are from AliExpress. They are, I paid $26. And then by the time they add the, really aggravates me, I'll try to say this nicely, bogus shipping and taxes, which they don't pay our taxes and we pay for their shipping. U.S. pays China shipping, which burns my butt anyway. Anyway, it was less than $30 by all said and done. And, uh-oh, he looks nude. I hope his clothes and shoes are in here. But even if they're not.
Looks like it.
Oh, yeah, they are. Okay.
And a bunch of bubble wrap, too.
Yeah, that's what, $2 worth of bubble wrap that I will reuse. I have a bunch of Happy Mails to get in the mail. I bought a blonde. I want this guy to go with my other 1/3 girls. I have a lot of Smart Doll girls, and oh gosh, he's cute. He's really, really cute. He comes with, okay, that, nope. I thought it was loose. Not as tight as I like them, but he came in a bag, which is irritating. Let's pull this off and look at this face. I think he's very handsome. He has blue eyes. My other boy has brown eyes. I wish their hair were a little shorter. I don't know that I would cut that. I don't feel like I'm qualified to cut that. But he came with these pants, pair of jeans like my other boy. And I love the shirt. I really, really like the shirt. I've always liked plaid shirts, particularly flannel. Let me get him dressed. His shirt has working buttonholes. It took us a minute to get the button out of the hole because it was so tight and right. Let's curl these down. Isn't he cute? His head goes back and forth. He has full articulation in his arms. He has shoulder movement and elbow movement. And let's see, did it turn up there? No, wait a minute.
Yeah, it has a joint in the middle.
No, I meant, did it? Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does. He can turn this way. And the wrist has the same, the turning at the wrist. He can do the splits either direction. He bends at the knee and he bends at the ankle. I really like these. I think they're very handsome, these young men. And like I said, they can pose any way you want. They can touch their own hair and do anything. I really like them a lot. I wish they had a redhead, to be honest. I would sure buy them. Darren made a stand for my first boy, and I think I would like this young man's in red.
Okay.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. You know what? I bet he can stand.
Now, is that a wig on him, or is that rooted?
Yeah, it is a wig. It is a wig. I wonder if I could push that back and make the hair look shorter. Let's see if he can stand on his own. I believe when he, oh yeah, he sure can. Not a problem, he sure can. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please let me know what you think of my boys. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.